Sakalayan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Maharaj Yudhiṣṭhir, whose enemy was never born, performed his daily morning duties by praying, offering fire sacrifice to the sun god, and offering obeisances, grains, cows, land, and gold to the Brahmins. He then entered the palace to pay respects to the elderly. However, he could not find his uncles or aunt, the daughter of King Shubal. Maharaj Yudhiṣṭhir was the most pious king because he personally practiced daily the pious duties for the householders. The householders are required to rise early in the morning, and after bathing they should offer respects to the deities at home by prayers, by offering fuel in the sacred fire, by giving the Brahmins in charity land, cows, grains, gold, etc., and at last offering to the elderly members due respects and obeisances. One who is not prepared to practice injunctions prescribed in the Shastras cannot be a good man simply by book knowledge. Modern householders are practiced to different modes of life, namely to rise late and then take bed tea without any sort of cleanliness and without any purificatory practices as mentioned above. The household children are taken to practice what the parents practice, and therefore the whole generation glides towards hell. Nothing good can be expected from them unless they associate with sadhus. Like Yudhiṣṭhir, the materialistic person may take lessons from a sadhu like Yudhiṣṭhir and thus be cleansed of the effects of modern life. Maharaj Yudhiṣṭhir, however, could not find in the palace his two uncles, namely Yudhiṣṭhir and Vidur, along with Gandhari, the daughter of King Shubal. He was anxious to see them and therefore asked Sanjay, the private secretary of Yudhiṣṭhir.